Managing your time when you have too many tasks can be challenging, but not impossible. Here are some tips that might help you. Prioritize your tasks based on their urgency and importance. You can use the Eisenhower Matrix 1 to help you sort your tasks into 4 categories: do first, schedule, delegate, and eliminate 2. Make a to-do list and assign a realistic time limit to each task. Use a calendar or a planner to schedule your tasks and stick to your plan as much as possible. 3. Break down large or complex tasks into smaller, more manageable subtasks. This can help you reduce stress and increase productivity. 4. Avoid multitasking and focus on one task at a time. Multitasking can reduce your focus and efficiency, as your brain has to switch between different tasks constantly. 5. Take regular breaks and reward yourself for completing tasks. This can help you maintain your motivation and energy levels. I hope these tips are useful for you. If you want to learn more about time management, subscribe our channel and comment.